Hey everybody, this is Royce here with Gauge 3 Designs, and I am back with another episode. So, my previous video, I did a video about light emitters for light bulbs. There's also different types of emitters, like some that I saw here. You have display backlight, and I'll do a video on that one. Um, Burning coal, radium, and plasma, and I'll do videos on those to represent it well. Putting these in light bulbs, it's just not proper. But I found something on 3D Warehouse, and there was a model of coal, burning coal, and I'm going to apply this burning coal from Thea Render to see what it looks like. And also I have some logs here. I think I'm going to place them on top just to give it a look and see what it looks like. So I'll go ahead, and what I'll do is I'll explode this here. Actually break it all the way up. Okay, look like it's broken up. And then I'll just select it all and apply the burning coal like this. Alright, looks like it's all there. And these logs, I'm just going to lay some logs on top of it. Spin around a little bit. Maybe here. Maybe we'll get a better view. Something like this. Let's try this one. Move it up a little bit. Something like that. I just want to see what this is going to look like, and let's just slide these over in the rendering view. Alright, let's see what this looks like rendered. So let's go ahead and pull this up. And I kind of have like an evening, nighttime background here. So let's just go ahead and see what it looks like rendered. Alright. And you can see the burning coal here. I actually really like this texture. I will be using this a lot for fireplaces and outside burning pits and things like that. I think it's pretty cool. Let's try this. Okay, yeah, I really like it. Gives a realistic feel if you're trying to build maybe a fire pit outside. Throw some stones around here. But I really like it. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thanks.